Like, I'm not here to debate about it. Okay. You said what?
So which one?
Okay.
TBS 7.
Okay. So what was your intention? You didn't want to provide any information, you know, it's state law to do that, right?
What did I hit?
What did you hit?
Final update on 1916 Clark.
I'm not going to debate about it with you, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put you in handcuffs, we're going to put you in the back seat, we're going to move your car over there with the other two cars that are blocking the crash, okay? Hey, whoa, up, down! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! 22-21.
Good. Good, bro.
There's close, shots fired.
Hey, roll me HFD. I got a male, not conscious, not breathing, multiple gunshots wound to his abdomen.
Where are you at?
We're gonna park at the China border parking lot. It's a vacant parking lot. It's gonna be right before the Mambo Seafood. Let me see your hands, man. Do not reach for that gun.
Is this related to the crash or is it something else?
Super 21, yes, it's the suspect in the crash. We're at China border. Shots fired, one suspect down. All officers okay.
Clear, thank you. Need a sergeant to roll by.
Let me see your hands, man.
Okay, I'm gonna go around, right?
What district?
No. No crossfire, no crossfire.
District.
22 PO7. Show me around.
Do me a favor, go ahead and grab some gloves. Grab some gloves from the center console. I got you.
Stay out there, y'all.
See it? Yeah, I got you. The gun's still in his waistband.
Up 10-7 on North Freeway. Express down at North Freeway Service Road.
You got people?
Yeah, the gun's gonna be still in his waistband. Still in his waistband.
Alright, 22 PO7E. Let's get additional units instead of affirmative with the yellow tapes on the scene.
Yes, sir, just use any messages.
I'm gonna get the weapon out the way first.
Okay.
Alright, weapon
Secure the
on the
weapon.
roof.
No, just go secure. It's okay.
Alright, let's go ahead. Come on now, bro.
Get him out and put him on the ground. Let's just leave him there. Just leave him there. HFD's coming right behind us. So just grab the gun, secure it in the car.
Checking.
All good.
K36, the suspect's going to be down
We need some gloves. We need some gloves so we can get him out of the car.
Off of West Side and North Freeway at China border.
Grab some.
Hey, just somebody cover long.
Y'all shoot?
I shot, yeah.
All right, if you shot, stand back here, bro. I don't want you to. Okay.
We need to get him out of the car and bring the aid guys.
24, we're going to be right out here with 2-1.
What's the weapon?
We got the weapon secured. I'm not going to debate about it with you, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put you in handcuffs, we're going to put you in the back seat, we're going to move your car over there with the other two cars that are involved in the crash, okay? Hey, whoa. You good? You good, bro? You good? Mambo Seafood, China border. I got it. You can go to the doors. Country with 21. This is the suspect in the crash. We're at China border.
shots fired, one suspect down, all officers okay.
See your hands, man.
Hey brother, I'm gonna go around, alright?
No. Do me a favor. Go ahead and grab some gloves.
I got you.
Grab some gloves from the shirt also. I got you.
Yeah, here he is.
You see him? You see the gun?
Gun still in his
Alright. Hey listen, you got lethal?
Yeah. The gun's gonna be still in his waistband.
It's still in his waistband?
Still in his waistband.
Alright.
Let's get additional units. Yellow tapes.
That's it. Get the weapon out the way first. Alright, weapon on the roof.
No, just go secure. It's okay.
Alright, let's go ahead, man. Come on out, bro.
Get him out. Put him on the ground.
He's dead weight, bro. He's not conscious.
Just leave him there. Just leave him there. Cool.
Sure.
HFD's coming right behind us. Alright. So, just grab the gun, secure it in the car.
I got you. All good. Hey, we got gloves over here. We can grab some. He's
Johnson. All right, you shot. Stay back here, bro. I don't want you to go around. Stay back here.
hey, weapons over there. I shot you.
Okay, okay.
We get him out of the car. When you're ready, guys.
That's clear, man.
Okay, that's fine. Reporting to. Closure vehicle. Last units where they're going to transport you.
Keep going.